Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF US dollar Swiss franc for Monday, 20th September. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD CHF in front of us right now, and as we can see that market has clearly broke the resistance and it is trading quite above the resistance, ultimately closed at 93 per 0.9322. Okay, and the market is still very bullish. And as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, then mainly we should look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So if we just analyze, or if we just try to observe this present trend of the market here, then there should not be any doubt that this market is extremely bullish. Not just bullish, extremely bullish. Buyers are very much dominating the market right now, and in a market condition like this, we should not think about shorting the market, because if we short the market here, then there is a huge possibility, a big possibility of ending up in loss, because we will be trading against the trend of the market. So in a market condition like this, whenever a market is an uptrend, the area of value or the best trading opportunity or the best buying opportunity is always near the support. And in this case, you can see that after this sharp move, we do not have any proper reason to find the support, or we do not have any proper logical support here. The only support here right now in front of us is this level, 0.9280. This is the only support level that we have in front of us right now. After this huge up move on Friday, we can just hope that the previous resistance of 0.9280 will be the new support for the market, because we know that resistances become support and support becomes resistances in the market. So we can just hope that 0.9280 will be the new support. But you can see that the current market price is quite far away from this particular level. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is simple. As we all know, US dollar has a relation with the USD CHF. Whenever US dollar goes up, we generally see USD CHF going up, and when dollar goes down, we generally see USD CHF also going down. On Friday, US dollar, the DXY got very bullish, and we were also expecting this, because if you have watched my other videos, then you know that we were talking about this up move for quite some time. Anyways, so dollar was very bullish, so USD CHF also went up. So on Monday, there is a good possibility of market retracing a bit, not trend reversal. Market may go for some retracement and market will be going up again, because market always move in a zigzag pattern. So there is a possibility of retracement and US dollar going up, because we have a resistance at 93.60 level. This is the next target for US dollar right now. So dollar will, if dollar retraces and goes up on Monday, then definitely USD CHF will also try to repeat the same thing. It will retrace a little and then going up. So while it will be retracing, do not think about shorting the market. That will be a huge blunder. Okay, because in case market starts going up again, then you'll end up in loss. Your stop loss will be hit. So just wait for the perfect opportunity. Wait for the market to go up from here. So how to find out the retracement level? Right now we do not have any proper reasoning. Okay, and if I draw a trend line here, then also I do not find very much comfortable with the trend line. You can also try to draw a trend line and hope that market will be coming down and bounce. If you want to try, you can try, but I think the best way to find out the retracement level will be to use the Fibonacci retracement. You can use the Fibonacci retracement anywhere. We generally see that whenever market goes for retracement, it usually follow the Fibonacci retracement levels. So you can try with Fibonacci retracement level to find out the retracement and go for a buy. Just keep in mind, do not short the market until and unless you see heavy selling pressure. Okay, until and unless you see heavy selling pressure on the market, do not short the market and only wait for the market to retrace and go up. Then only click on the buy button. That's it, and this is your only trading strategy for Monday. In case there is some ups and down or anything rubbish happens on the market, I'll be coming down on Monday and I'll be covering everything. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye. Take care.